Hey y'all, it's time to pull some garlic. I'm gonna pull the garlic, weigh my largest single bulb and my 5 largest bulbs combined weight so that we can enter the #garlic 2026 challenge. I think these were a variety called Pahosky Purple. They kind of have a little purple at the top of the bulb, and they're smaller, I noticed, than some of the other varieties. So I don't think these are going to be in #garlic 2026 challenge, but they will definitely find a place in my kitchen. I'm not sure what variety this is, so we're going to pull it and see what size we get. And that one still looks like a purple stripe. Not very big. For Garlic 2026 challenge, there are several categories. There's largest single bulb by weight and largest 5 single bulbs total by weight. And obviously, I'm not going to be going with any of the Pahosky Purple because they're smaller. So for Garlic 2026, we're going to go with the Amish Rocambole. What I need to do is clean these up. Just take off some of this outer skin, trim the roots, and then cut the bulb to within an inch of the bulb itself. So cut the stem an inch up and get a weight. So I've trimmed the roots and I've cut the stem so it's about an inch above the bulb, and I'm going to put it on the scale and weigh it. I think this was my largest bulb, and it weighs an even 200 grams. It's kind of fluttering between 199 and 200. For purposes of Garlic Challenge 2026, I'm going with 200. So I've trimmed my second one. I've got it within an inch of the bulb. The stem is within an inch of the bulb, and I've trimmed the roots back. Let's see what we get on this one. This one is 176, 177 grams, so a little bit smaller than the first one. Bulb number 3 comes in at 196. That's a decent sized bulb. I'm pretty pleased with that. Bulb number 4 comes in at 190. I like that. So my 5th and final bulb is at 168. All 5 of these bulbs that I'm submitting for Garlic Challenge 2026 are Amish Rocambole. Now I'm going to see if I can get the scale zeroed out and weigh the top 5 for a combined weight. I'm going to fit them in this cottage cheese container, so I've got that on the scale, and I'm going to zero it out and then add the garlic. Let's see what we come up with. These are some really nice looking garlic. The bulbs were nice sized, and the garlic that grew from those cloves was really nice size. So it looks like we come out to somewhere around 950 grams for the top 5 weights combined. So the garlic's all been pulled, and we're getting ready to submit our entries for #garlic 2026. It's not too late. You can still get in the running. Check out Big Will Dog 82 in the Soil or Down Home Backyard Gardening channels for more info and how you can enter the competition. Hope you have a great garlic harvest. Take care, y'all.